Hello everyone. The African National Congress has scheduled former President Jacob Zuma's disciplinary hearing for July 17. The former ANC president, who now leads the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party, had his membership suspended by the party in January. The hearing, which seeks to terminate Zuma's ANC membership, was postponed until after the May 29 elections, will now take place virtually. It was initially set to take place before the elections, but it was postponed due to security concerns and fears of violence. Zuma was suspended earlier this year after he publicly announced that he will support and vote for Umkhonto we Sizwe Party. The ANC's position is that Zuma's expelled himself when he made the crucial Umkhonto we Sizwe Party announcement to back the splinter group on 16 December 2023. On the day Umkhonto we Sizwe was formed, the former president said he remained a member of the ANC but will not vote for or support the ANC led by President Cyril Ramaphosa. Jacob Zuma's Umkhonto we Sizwe Party rocked the elections with 14.8% of the national vote and more than 45% of the vote in KwaZulu-Natal. Last month, the ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula confirmed that the disciplinary hearing against the former president will continue despite their 40% election results. He said, "The DC against Zuma will continue. Nothing has changed. We said that before the elections, it must be postponed until after the elections. That disciplinary process will continue." The party is accusing Jacob Zuma of violating Rule 25 of the ANC's constitution by showing support for another political party. Zuma's Umkhonto we Sizwe Party is now the third largest party with over 14% nationally after the electoral results were announced in May. It has 58 seats in the National Assembly and 37 seats in the KwaZulu-Natal Provincial Legislature with 45.35%. Their members were sworn in last week after refusing to attend at the first sitting of Parliament ceremony 2 weeks ago. The Umkhonto we Sizwe Party in Parliament will be the official opposition after the DA elected to work with the ANC-led government of national unity. The Umkhonto we Sizwe Party is led in Parliament by Dr. John Hlophe. Duduzi Lesompudla Zuma, the daughter of the former president, also reacted after the ANC released a letter to formally discipline the leader of the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party. She took it to her social media platform and wrote, "Within a few hours of announcing the racist sellout coalition deal with the DA, the ANC of Ramaphosa has launched its repression campaign against those fighting for the return of our land. What is next? Concomitant action. To hell with them and their funders." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.